Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts.
to sleep. You can't bring